Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: the correct OS version, admin rights, and network reachability. Once confirmed, open the terminal or GUI and fetch the target resource URL or local path. Copy it so you don't mistype. Then run the initial link command or create the new link entry in the tool, supplying the path and any required flags or credentials. This first action establishes the connection context and makes subsequent configuration simpler and repeatable for scripts or automation. Once the link exists, you configure its behavior by specifying the correct link type, symbolic, hard, or network alias, using the appropriate option like S or H. Then set permissions and ownership so processes can access the target. Use chmod and chown or the GUI properties pane to match expected users and groups. Make sure to test the link locally. Follow it, read or execute the target resource, and confirm data access works. This prevents permission surprises when services consume the link. To finish, ensure the link persists across reboots by adding it to startup scripts or the system configuration when needed. Next, monitor link health with commands like LSL and readlink or your system status tools so you catch broken references early. If something fails, don't panic. The primary troubleshooting step is to check the target path, confirm mounts are active, and verify permissions. If the target moved, update the link. If permissions block access, adjust ownership or modes, and retest immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.